forward, seeing idol number 3.
On my left, move forward, singing idol number 19.
On my right, please move forward, seeing idol number 10.
On my left, move forward, seeing idol number 17.
Singing talent number 5.
On my left, move forward, singing talent number 16.
On my right, please move forward, singing idol number 7.
On my left, move forward, singing idol number 18.
On my right, please move forward, singing talent number 8.
On my left, move forward. Singing idol number 6.
On my right, please move forward, singing talent number
9.
Please.
On my left, move forward, singing idol number 15.
Please move forward, seeing idol number 4.
On my left, move forward, seeing idol number 12.
On my right, please move forward, singing idol or singing talent number 11.
And on my left, move forward, seeing idol number 13.
Ladies and gentlemen, on my right, safe ba sila? Or on my left, safe ba sila? Sino kayo dito ang safe na group? You are safe. Singing talents on my right.
So from this group, ang matatanggal po ngayong gabi. Happy?
Dito sa sample singing idols, singing talents on our left, ay mayroon andito yung dalawang matatanggal. Please move forward, singing idol number 12.
And move forward, singing idol number 13.
Number 13. May matatanggal kaya dito?
Will they still continue the journey towards becoming semi-weight
champion? Ayun. You are both safe.
Congratulations. Let's move on with singing idol number 20.
Number 20, please move forward. And singing idol number 15. Dito kaya may matatanggal?
Meron ba? Wala daw. Maliwet po ba kayo dyan?
May matatanggal ba dito?
Okay.
Wala?
O sige,
Thank you so much. Oo nga, wala matatanggal.
You are both safe.
Congratulations.
Move forward, singing idol number 16.
already correct. Singing idol number 14. Sorry, singing idol number 18. It's the end of your journey tonight.
Pero keep on dreaming, keep on inspiring others. We're down with singing idol number 6 and singing idol number 17.
Oh, sino na?
Oh, surely may matatanggal.
Sure.
Sino? Si 6 ba o si 17? Sino?
You are safe. Singing talent number. Ano? You are safe. Singing talent number 17.
It's the end of your journey tonight, singing talent number 6.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and that concludes our first elimination night dito po sa Samiwegi Banda Year 10.
For the 18 remaining idols, congratulations!